Suppose you are looking for a reliable and durable roofing option for your home in Boise. In that case, you should consider a metal roof. Metal roofs are becoming increasingly popular among homeowners due to their many benefits. For instance, metal roofs are very good at reflecting heat, which can help keep your home cooler in the summer. They are also fire-resistant and can last up to 50 years with proper maintenance. In addition, metal roofs are environmentally friendly since they are recyclable at the end of their lifespan. If you are looking for a roofing option that will protect your home and save you money in the long run, then a metal roof is an excellent choice. Metal roofs are an excellent investment for your home for many reasons. They are durable, last a long time, and can increase the value of your home. Metal roofs are also low maintenance and energy efficient. If you are considering a new roof for your home, metal is the way to go. Suppose you are thinking of getting a metal roofing system. Metal Roofers Boise can help you. We can discuss the type of metal, such as copper, aluminum, and steel roofing. We are happy to help. Contact us for any of your concerns.